Hello, my name is Doug, and this is my new video in the National Museum of American History. This is a Bell helicopter UH-1 Iroquois. They're also called Huey. This became one of the iconic symbols and sounds of the Vietnam War. They made 16,000 and 7,000 served in the Vietnam War. They were used for supply transport, gunships, medevac, reconnaissance, and search and rescue. This one was made in Fort Worth, Texas in 1965 and Vietnam in 1966. It was assigned to the 173rd Assault Helicopter Company, also known as the Robin Hoods. During the war, 3 times it sustained damage and was fixed. In 2004, Texas Air Command Museum donated it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.